Yeah, this is a video of finding a leak. This is a 2008 Chevy Malibu. 2008, 2.4 liter Ecotech VVT. It's a 2.4 liter. Uh, I've been noticing I just put a new radiator in this car. I got the video coming out for that also. But now I'm seeing drops of antifreeze on the backside back here of the engine on the floor. And it's already gone down. So I'm trying to figure out where this leak is coming from. I think I found it. Uh, I'm putting this video out because a lot of people might have this same problem. They say it's a big problem on these Chevys, Malibus, the Cruise, and all that. But the Cruise have them in the front. Mine's in the back, so I guess they made it a little better. I'm gonna show you where I think that leak is coming from. I'm gonna have to replace some stuff back there anyway, so I will let you come on the journey with me and show you what I found out. We're gonna get onto the car, but like this is the back of your firewall, the back of the engine. That's where the leak is coming from down here. So we're gonna go at the bottom and I'm gonna try to show you where it's coming from. I'm under the car right now and you can see, look on the ground, see that? And that's coming, it's running off of this pan, my transmission pan, see that? But I know my transmission is not leaking no antifreeze. It's just running down. So what I did was I tried to look up to see where it's coming from, and it's a pipe up here. But I'm gonna go forward so you can see it more. Okay. Now, you see that pipe right there? Yeah, that pipe right there. Right there. That pipe. That pipe, that pipe you're looking at. See that? You can see it's leaking out of there. That's where it's leaking at. I can't put my hand up there, but you can see where it's running down right here on the transmission pan and running down. It's leaking out of there. That pipe is connected to the heater core that's going inside your car. So to do that, it's some seals in there that gonna have to be replaced. Let me try to go at the top and see if I can show you a better shot of it. But if you look good, you can see the antifreeze leaking out of it. You see that? That's a major problem in these Chevys and Cruise and all that with the same motor, Ecotech. So you will have to replace the seal that goes in. See it? You see it coming out? There's a good shot. Now I'm back on top. And I already took this off. See this? This goes on your, that's your exhaust and your catalytic converter. This the front one. This cover goes over it. It has two bolts that holds it here, two bolts holds it here, and a bolt holds it right there. I took that off because you cannot see that bar that good. But look, when I took mine off, look what happened. Look at that. That's a crack in my damn exhaust. So I will be replacing this with a video because I don't know if it's cracked all the way through. It looked like it is, but that will trip the code. P0420 and the oxygen code and the catalytic code, it could trigger them. But the pipe I'm talking about is right below it. See that? See that? That's that pipe. And that's where it's leaking. See it? See it right there? It's a seal inside of that. See that? That's where that leak is, right there. So I would have to replace this and put a seal in it. So for anybody that can't find that leak on a 2008 Chevy Malibu for the antifreeze, that's always leaking down and you can't find the leak, it's in the back of the engine towards the firewall. I will try to find out what that line is. So I will be building another video out on how to repair this. But that's a common place for your antifreeze to be leaking on a 2008 Chevy Malibu 2.4 liter. See it? See it right there? See that? That's where the antifreeze is leaking and it's dropping down on here and it's running down on the transmission. All right. I have to replace this part because I took the cover off to see this and seems like it's a crack. So I will also be bringing a video out on how to be replacing your catalytic converter, your intake catalytic converter. I'm gonna also put a video. I'm gonna replace that also. So when you get down here so deep, you need to check all these parts, man. You never know, because I never know this had a crack. It could have thrown me a code, but it's not throwing codes. So it's probably just start cracking, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Tell a friend. Like, share, comment. Big up the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John. Big up St. Croix, the biggest of all. Keyboard and data assessor. Until the next one.